Hey guys, apologize for the messy desk, but I wanted to get a quick video out on how to clean your camera sensor. There's a couple things I use for this. I use this Giotto's rocket bulb. I'll put links to these in the description. And I also use this sensor clear lens pen. Quickest way to tell if your sensor needs cleaned is you run outside and take a picture of the sky. If you see dark round spots throughout your picture, and I'll throw one up here on the screen. If you see those dark round spots in your picture, then your sensor needs cleaned. A lot of cameras like these older ones like my Nikon will have a mirror lockup. If not, you're just going to have to get the mirror out of the way gently and do a clean. So let's get into it. And so we'll make sure our camera's off. And we're going to push in and take our lens off. We're going to start with our blower. I'm going to gently pull my mirror out of the way. And then I'm going to turn it to the side, and give it a couple of quick bursts. Careful not to touch the sensor. Try to hit it from several angles. Then I'm going to take my lens pen. I'm going to take the brush end and brush the sensor to try to loosen any stuck particles. And then I'm going to give it another blast. And then final, I'm going to take my lens pen and wipe the sensor down. And gently put my mirror back down. That's all there is to it. If you're out changing lenses a lot, you're probably eventually going to get dust in your sensor, and that's the way you clean it. That's the way I clean mine anyway. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. I also put a link to where I describe this on a blog post.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a quick after picture. I shoot a blank sky and you'll see your dust fairly quickly. As you can see, most of my dust is gone in this picture. There's a couple tiny little spots I could still work on, but I think this is going to be good enough for what it was before. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Tell me how you clean your sensor. And as always, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, please don't ruin your equipment just to save a couple bucks. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.